Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, GHQ attack orchestrated to serve India's objective. The attack on the general headquarters during the violent protests which followed the May 9 arrest of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI chairman Imran Khan was aligned with the anti-Pakistan agenda of India, declared the defense minister. The government claimed supporters of Khan had attacked important state buildings and damaged private and public vehicles. Next, Mehbooba says she won't fight assembly elections till Article 370 is restored in J&K. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister and PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti on Sunday said that she won't contest assembly elections until Article 370 is restored in J&K. She stated, "I don't see assembly elections being held in the near future." Next, I should take your autograph. US President Joe Biden to PM Modi. US President Joe Biden on Saturday asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his autograph after discovering how he has been managing large crowds, according to sources. Yesterday, during the Quad meeting, President Joe Biden came up to PM Modi and told that he has been facing a challenge with a deluge of requests from prominent citizens to attend the program of PM Modi. Next, S. Jaishankar meets Antony Blinken, discuss PM's visit to US. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken on Sunday met External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Hiroshima and discussed the upcoming visits of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to America. Next, Zelensky, Bakhmut is only in our hearts after Ukraine loses control of destroyed city to Russia. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed on Sunday that Russia has taken control of the city of Bakhmut after a bloody 8 months battle by Moscow's Wagner private army, with the support of Russia's troops that has left it in ruins. Next, Mehbooba-built integrated semi-cryogenic engine testing facility begin operation. Mehbooba, a public sector undertaking, added another feather in its cap with ISRO propulsion complex commencing very first test of semi-cryogenic engine successfully on May 10th last at Mahendragiri, Tamil Nadu. Next, Navy to receive INSV Tarini on May 23rd after her 17,000 nm voyage. Indian naval sailing vessel Tarini is on her return journey to India after a 7-month-long transoceanic intercontinental expedition covering 17,000 nautical miles. Officials said on Saturday the Indian Navy is all set to receive the 6-member crew of INSV Tarini, including women officers Lieutenant Commander Dilina K. and Lieutenant Rupa A. at the flag-in ceremony on May 23rd at the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center, INS Mandovi, Goa, they said. Next, focus on suppressing SEAD air defenses in upcoming F4.2 and F5 Rafale variants. The forthcoming F4.2 and F5 variants of the Rafale fighter aircraft are set to prioritize the suppression of SEAD, that is, full form is suppression of enemy air defenses capability. This strategic focus aims to enhance the aircraft ability to neutralize the enemy air defense system effectively. Thank you.